Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to DigiStore24. First, begin by logging into your DigiStore24 dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll find an option labeled Account there. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select Payout Account. This action will take you to the page where you can manage your payout details and begin the linking process. On the Payout Account page, scroll down until you find the Payout Method section. Here, you'll see various options for receiving your earnings. Select PayPal as your preferred method. Next, carefully enter the email address associated with your active PayPal account into the provided field. It's crucial to ensure this email is accurate to prevent any delays or issues with your future payouts. To verify your request, you will need to enter your current DigiStore24 account password. This step ensures the security of your account. After entering your password, you'll be prompted to confirm the terms and conditions. Finally, a small one-time setup fee, usually around $1 or €1, will be charged to connect your PayPal account. Complete this payment through PayPal to finalize the linking process. After the one-time fee, you can customize your payout settings. Choose your preferred currency for receiving payments, such as US dollars or euros. You can also set a payout threshold, which is the minimum amount your earnings must reach before a payout is triggered. For instance, you might set it to $50. Review all your entered details one final time and confirm to ensure your PayPal account is successfully linked and ready for payouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.